Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your router history. It's really simple and easy. So now whether you have an iPhone or Android, you can see the router history, every single website and IP address that is connected to your router. It's easy to do. So first of all, what you have to do is go to your mobile settings and then let's tap on this Wi-Fi here. Now here you can see I am connected to my Wi-Fi router. I can tap on that and all I have to do is scroll down and looking for the router IP address. So I will tap and hold on it, and as you can see this option copy, tap on it. Now go back and go to web browser, and we have to just paste it here and then tap on this go option. Now depending on which router you have, what internet service you have, it will look and act differently. So I can show you exactly what it look like for you. I have ATT fiber internet, but basically you can just go to this website and you should be able to navigate what we are going to look for our logs. So if I zoom in here, if I tap on diagnostics at the top right here, that's where ATT keeps all those logs. You can see I can zoom in at the very top and again tap on logs, and this immediately shows me every single website or IP address that has been accessed from my router. So you can see a long list. I can go through here, see if there is anything that I don't recognize or that shouldn't be there, or whatever you are interested in doing and why you are looking at this. If there is a specific website or IP addresses that you want to look for on here, and then of course you can always hit this clear log at the very top if you just want to clear that entire router history. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.